Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. Let's begin with getting started with Python. And the topic that I am going to cover in this video is download and install Python. This is fourth topic in getting started with Python. Let's begin. Open a browser. In Google search box, type Python download. Press enter. In the search result, you can click on this link or you can type www.python.org in the address bar to open the site. This opens the Python official website. Here you will be able to find lot of resources, documentations. There is a beginner's guide, developer's guide, and you can also see community success stories, news and events. So if you find time, you can explore this site. To download Python, from the top menu you click on this download link. It opens the download page. Here you will find download Python 3.9.6, which is the latest version, and it keeps on updating. And if you want to install Python for different operating system, you can click on these links or you can click on these links. And if you want to download and install a specific version, you can scroll down a little. You will find Python active releases and Python specific versions, like it is listed here, and it is being sorted by release date. And you can see here download links. You can click on these links and download and install. So let's click on download Python 3.9.6. So when I click the button, in the left bottom corner, the Python installable is downloading. Now the download is completed. Let's click on this link. So it opens a pop-up. You can click on this run button. It takes me to Python installation window. Here you can click on install now. Before that, make sure that install launcher for all users is checked, and you can also check add Python 3.9 to path. This will add the Python path to the environment variable. I will explain about environment variable in next video. And click on install now. This opens the progress bar. During installation, it will show the various components it is installing and move the progress bar towards completion. It takes some time to complete. Now the installation is completed successfully. You can click on this close button. To verify the installation, click on the start menu, scroll down. You will find Python 3.9 folder. Click and expand this folder. You will find the Python IDLE, which is Integrated Development and Learning Environment, and you will find Python shell, and there are some manuals, documentations to learn. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more details, view the description below. See you in next video.